Oh, wait, you gotta stand up, Tristan. Okay, I have a very special washing machine. This is my washing machine. And I'm looking for things that start with a puh sound to put in my washing machine. What would start with a puh sound that I could put inside my washing machine?
Puh, puh, shoes. Puh, puh, shoes.
What about puh, puh? What are these?
Pants.
Pants! Put your pants in my washing machine. Where's your pants? You got pants to put in? What about if I am looking for something that starts with the sh, listen, with the sh sound? What starts with the sh sound that we could put in my washing? Shirts? Shoes? Shirts, shoes, anything else? Shirts? What'd you put in my washing machine? Shoes? Shirt? What about something that starts with well, what would boots start with? What letter would that be? Ba is the letter what? B. What about, listen, what about something you put on your feet before your shoes? Starts with a sock. Oh, I need your stinky socks. Where's your stinky socks? What else could we put in our washing machine? Oh, Eli, what else do we put in our washing machine? What else do we put in our washing machine though? T-shirt. What letter does T start with? T. All right, give me some T-shirts.
Here's a whole bunch of piles of T-shirts.
Oh my gosh, my washer's going to be very busy tonight. Got T-shirts? What else? Is there anything else that we put in our washing machine? Turtles. Turtles makes a T. What can we put in there?
Underwear.
Oh no, not underwear. I don't want your stinky underwear. What would, do you know what underwear starts with?
B.
Close. U. All right, give them to me.
I got one.
Yuck. All right, have a seat. I'd rather have clean underwear. Okay, we